Wudu katosi polisi ni ekosho paka chini. Kojai ekarie teni ay murati to nilu apolo ko cheche da kere. Ay todi ara yala makano ay tenepo Icepei. Ara disi lo kumi washaki amada. Yesara epejono laibuse skoto masubana kano lo da bala etebebenta lua yara ake swam.
You are thought of at one time becoming a police region, and this is coming because of your hard work, being committed, cooperative, and working with all leaders and community in a wonderful cooperation mode. It is not coming because you are supposed to be promoted, but it is coming because of your exhibited hard work. But I want to request you and encourage you to ensure that next time they promote the whole force.
Apolokin to the police kokumi SP Buiza Twaha Yesabala ebe officers occasional wangono kere kesa poni kognichu nai ebe itodolikitosi iboro kere lem iriamara kanu adumunu Apollo.
I have a number of 34 police officers who are elevated to various ranks and whom we are going to commission today. This has not only created love for the job, but it is a morale booster for the job. And I know even the rest would not benefit with the time they will do. I request that you remain disciplined, you remain hardworking, be tolerant. Above all, let's ensure that people feel that we are here for them. We don't want at any time to hear people cry that police is extorting, police doesn't render good services. But
they went through all the parameters, so you were among the latter ones. To those that were not promoted, like me, we cannot all be promoted at the same time. We are also going to be promoted. Let us stay on idly. Any time from now, we shall be promoted.
Lebu ekiti Ipolisin lu Etanapi Icepei ngesabu kilip ipapake ay niko kinido aswame joko noi kadepar ne lem.
It was not simple. Some of us even had lost hope. But here we are. We have been promoted. Adding a rank means added responsibility. You have to change now from where you are to a different level. I urge my colleagues here to remain disciplined, to remain courteous, serve the members of the public with the courtesy.
Anuta boitengo vero rank kangini noi no bua mun didisanar na jengo. Abaladengo garado abongore ngaye ngunu mamangadum teche da yala mengo noi
nara yang ai kichuta pakna na pewo jawjat dari tailemu Aitopolorio na nara ngarandi kidle mongo district ajaingo adoktait na officer konyoro ko itoko ngoro keda aidoko kino acheret so alama dongo noi nara losdoko na tebebena kaswam loskona yataki nengo moral da ngon la swam
alama ngon noi Nigeria ngete la police anwa ai tute so da Aitopolorio so anwa inaite se moral la yatakita swam nara
1
Kanwa TV East Tolbert Edaiki Kokumi District.